Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch tools. First, let's explore the fundamental parts that make up a quality drawing instrument. We will then identify the key materials you will need, such as durable woods or lightweight metals, ensuring your tool is both sturdy and effective. Finally, we will briefly touch upon the various kinds of sketch tools you can create, from simple rulers to more complex stencils, setting the stage for your creative journey. Choosing the right materials is crucial for your sketch tool's performance and longevity. You might opt for a strong hardwood like maple for a sturdy ruler, or perhaps a lightweight aluminum for a precise stencil. When designing, think about ergonomics. A comfortable grip can significantly improve your drawing experience. Aim for a design that offers both stability and accuracy, ensuring your tool serves its intended purpose effectively. Now, let's get into the construction process. Begin by carefully cutting and shaping your chosen materials, perhaps using a fine-tooth saw for wood or a metal shear for aluminum, ensuring precise dimensions. Next, securely assemble the components, perhaps using strong adhesive or small fasteners, creating a robust structure. Finally, smooth any rough edges with sandpaper or a file, ensuring a comfortable and safe tool for consistent use. After construction, thorough testing is essential. Use your newly made sketch tool to draw lines, curves, or shapes, checking for accuracy and ease of use. If needed, make small adjustments to improve its functionality, perhaps by sanding a bit more or tightening a joint. Conclude by applying a protective finish, like a clear sealant for wood or a polish for metal, enhancing both durability and visual appeal for years of creative work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.